All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our private mentorship. This is Doc Faves, and Sunday night is the night that we do our overview. So we'll be looking at all day and 4-hour charts because we're looking at an overview for the week. Several may be in some trades now, but we're going to look at this for an overview and do a few markups for you. Now, here's how we look at this. We do our overview, and as we begin to see price go in the direction of our markups, that's how we know what we're going to trade throughout the week. And so even now, in the 4-hour, we see a strong push out of this formation right here. Very strong push out of this formation here. So the first one we'll start with is GU. As you can see, I've already done GU. I want you all to be able to do this, so I'm going to erase some of this and let you see. All right. So basically what we do is we're going to go over here, we're going to get our trend line, and we see this piece already from last week's markup. So price is right here. We're looking to see if this is going to go up here. Want to see it come back just a little bit because we know how the market moves. And that would be your entry right there. Want to see if price will go through R1, come back down, test a little bit, and then go up to the next one, all right? And that's what we're looking at for the week. Now, remember, this is an hour chart, so this could last this week and go into next week, especially if we extend it up here to this level up here, all right? And that's what we do. Now, on the flip side of that, let's just say price comes right here, goes down here, right? Pulls back up because we are in this channel. You all can see it, right? And then it comes, and then it does one of these numbers, okay? Pulls back a little bit to retest that, give you an entry point, and then we come on down. Do you see this? Now, yes, no, maybe?
Yes.
Okay, this is very important for us, you all, because once again, when we take this down to our entry charts, the 5 minute and 15, we'll see price begin to do a variation of this. It won't just follow this line perfectly, but in terms of direction. So in other words, if price breaks through this channel, let me make this a little smaller for you. You see it? We've been watching this channel for a couple of weeks. It breaks through this channel, then watch. Let me move this so you all can see it. Price breaks through this channel, then what happens? We're going to watch price come through, come back and retest. That's an entry right there, come up, entry right here, take profit up there. That's what we want to look for, guys. And sometimes it'll do just that. And then sometimes it won't. We just got to be patient to let it come to us. Any questions so far?
No.
All right, so then we go over here to EA. We're going to do the same thing. This is what we call charting and projecting. Price is right here. Already at R1 in EA. Want to see it come through here. Maybe come back and retest. Keep going. Come back and retest. And go up there. It's possible, right? Especially when we do our top-down analysis and set our major minor trend lines. Now, if you're trading with me, you already know if we do it this way, then potentially it could go back this way and continue on this down pattern right here. It could. So what will we do? We'll do the exact same thing this way, y'all. Right? Now remember, on the 4-hour chart, it's going to take a while for this to play out. So this is when we say we got to be patient and wait on the market. Now, if we go to US CAD, I'm actually already in this trade. and I'm in profit already. I threw 10 cent, 10 cent, and we're in this trade already. So it's already making a move to what we want to see. It left from down here, came up here. So we want to see if this is going to come up like this. Come back down to here. And then do what? And then go up to maybe TP1, TP2, TP3. And awesome if it does this. And I'm going to tell you too, I've been waiting on UCAD to break out of this. I really do think it's going to break out of this mode. I'm looking for this to break out this mode this week, guys. So we put this on the day chart. Let me just show you what you're looking at. We get price to break out of this mode and catch our next high up here. You all see the pips. We're looking at 280 pips. Here, here. So our next area of rise we're trying to get to is here and here. And remember, this is a day chart, so we will take some time to get there. Now, we put this back on the 4-hour. This is why it's called a weekly projection, y'all. Look at this. This is what we want to see happen. Now, once again, if we do it one way, we got to do what?
Got to do it the other.
Got to do it the other way, because this is going to operate as a guideline for us all week long. And this is what I've been doing. This is how I trade, right? So what we do, we go ahead and grab it. We got our tool over here. Now price is already here. So what we want to see happen. If it continues to go up, we're already in a good space. But if it turns around on us and does something like this, then we'll be ready for it. Come back and retest. See if we can go ahead and break out to that direction, come back down to open there. All right. Now, these levels here is something that we want to pay attention to. Want to pay attention to this level. Why? Because now we deal with market structure. Since we're on a 4-hour chart, these become key levels. Now, once again, if I'm following my 10% rule and we start our account with $100 and say we want to make $8 or $10 a day, I've already made my $10. Nikki, did you by any chance get into this US CAD as well?
I did.
Did you throw enough to get your $8 to $10?
I threw 1-4. I should have threw another one based off the chart.
So you right at $4.
No,
It moved. It haven't moved 10 pips for you yet?
no, it hasn't moved 10 pips for me yet.
Okay, I might have got in a little sooner. Okay. Tammy, are you in?
No.
You know what? I'm gonna call your husband and say pinch you one day. Just pinch it real good for me. Okay, well look at this. So our agent box, we see it, but if we'd have got in right at the time when this opened up for us, we'd have been up here and we would have had our what?
We would have had our 10.
We definitely would have had our 10. And this is why it's important that we show up 5 minutes before our agent box starts. This is one of the tools that we can use. All right, it is for our team, for private wealth engineers and anybody else who want to get in this and learn how we trade and learn the indicator that we use. You are welcome to. We'll show you that. Okay. So with that being said, now I've marked up 3 charts for you. Show you how to do the GU, the EA, and USD. You can take this information, you all, even you all watching on YouTube, watching the replay, and you can learn how to do charts and do your weekly projections the same way. And those weekly projections will serve as a guideline. So I wanted to do a quick video for you all to show you how at the beginning of the week, it is so very vital that you do a weekly projection so you can have something to look forward to. If this has been helpful for you, go ahead and drop a like down there, subscribe for me, drop a like, leave a comment for me. And once again, if you're interested in joining our team and learning how to trade the WE way, all you got to do is click the link that's below and even give me a call. My number is on the website. And I look forward to hearing from you all. All right. Thank you much, and we'll see you next time.